Hello. Okay, we are going to learn the minor pentatonic scale. Let me write that right here. Minor pentatonic. Remember, penta means 5. So it's 5 notes, and then we repeat the one from the bottom on the top. Now, just a throwback to the major pentatonic scale. Here's major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, for the major, all we did was we eliminate number 4 and number 7. So in A major, that was A, B, C sharp, D was gone, E, F sharp, G sharp was gone, and up to A. Okay, now in the minor, remember this was A major, and the minor, relative minor for A major is, we start right here and we go down 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3, F sharp. Okay, so F sharp minor, we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's F sharp, G, oh, I forgot. I just started filling those in. Okay, in the minor, we eliminate number 2 and 6. So it's the same, actually, number 2 is the same as that 7, as G sharp. There's no G sharp. F sharp, skip the G sharp. A, B, C sharp. We skip over D sharp. See, that's missing there and missing here. And this is missing there and there. And then skip over D, E, F sharp. So they're missing the same letters, and that means that what you play are the same notes, just in a little different order. The minor always starts on number 6, right here. So if we start on F sharp, and we just go through those same notes. So I'm going to erase that as much as I can. Boy, this is hard to erase. If anybody knows a one keystroke that erases everything, that would be great. Okay. We're going to do F sharp minor pentatonic. So it's the same key signature as A major, has 3 sharps. They are F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. It's the minor pentatonic, so we take away number 2 and take away number 6. So we start right here on F sharp. Okay, the second note would be G sharp. We don't play that, we skip it. Then we play A, B, C sharp. So that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll skip D, which was number 6, play E, and then F sharp. Okay, one way to remember, look, this F sharp to A is a minor third. You don't necessarily even have to remember that it's a minor third. It's a third, and that is the minor pentatonic scale. When we did the A or the major pentatonic scale, the distance between those first 2 notes is a second. So, and it's a major second. So it was a major pentatonic scale. So that's what it is. Now we draw these out on the treble and bass clef. And you just draw it out going up and down. You know how to do this if you've watched any of the other videos. Start here on F sharp and start on the bass F sharp. And draw them going up and back down. Okay, now we're going to switch over and figure out the fingering on this. Okay, remember, we don't want a thumb on a black key. We prefer to not have a pinky on a black key. Unless you're ending a scale, that's probably okay. And when it's the 3 black keys, we kind of want to use 2, 3, and 4, or 2 and 3. And we use the third as a pivot. Now, sometimes we have to use the number 2 as a pivot where we put our thumb under, but we prefer the 3. So let's see. If we start on F sharp, right away, we can't start with our thumb. We're going to have to start with something else. 2. 3, because we skip over number 2. Okay, now we have B and then C sharp. So if we just play these 4 fingers, we're going to end up here and then have a weird thumb under. So we can't do that. 2, 3. Right here is the 3. Let's put our thumb under. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's beautiful. So we start on the 2. 2, 3, thumb under. Okay, let's figure out the fingering for the left hand. Usually we start with your pinky. That's not going to work. 1, 2, 3. That puts your thumb on the C sharp. Yep, that's not going to work. Let's start with our 4. 4, 3, 2, thumb. Okay, we got to not do that. So let's start maybe with the thumb. Play that third. We could put the 4th over because we have 4 more notes. 4, 3, 2. That puts our thumb up here. I don't like that. So let's do 3, 2, 1, 3, thumb, and cross up to the 2. 3, I did that different coming down, didn't I? 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So see, you have to kind of play around with it and figure out the fingering. Don't just kind of go, there's no standard fingering that's going to work. You just have to follow those rules. Make sure your wrist is staying as straight as possible and there's not a lot of twisting or awkward moves. Make sure you can do that up and down and then try it together. That is the minor pentatonic scale.